Hello, I am Sujan Burman. Currently, I am studying in BSc Honors, Journalism, Media and Communication at Daffodil International University. I have passed my SSC from Notre Dame College, Dhaka in 2021 and passed SSC from Torpari BL High School in 2029. My result of both SSC and SSC are GPA 5. Now, I would have loved to share some to my academic experience in 5 years of my student life. I have learned and experienced so much. Like I have learned WordPress, Canva design, and fact checking, news writing, editing, and fact checking. Department program with CDSTF and MediaBus. I have passion for football. I have playing football. Even I have been selected to PBI training journalism with certificate. Thank you for my watching video.